Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Introducing today, we're taking a look at a unique and charismatic Swiss timepiece, the Roger Dubuis K10 Easy Diver Titanium. This model immediately stands out with its sporty and highly technical design. The 46mm case is crafted from titanium with carbon fiber elements, giving the watch a bold and powerful presence while remaining relatively lightweight for its size. One of the highlights is the black carbon fiber dial. Against this background, the small orange circular markers stand out beautifully, improving legibility and adding a vibrant, sporting character to the watch. Both the front and the caseback feature scratch-resistant sapphire crystals. Through the transparent caseback, you can admire the in-house Roger Dubuis automatic movement. Beautifully finished, the movement showcases the brand's exceptional level of Swiss watchmaking craftsmanship. The watch is secured on the wrist with a leather strap featuring a convenient deployant clasp, providing both comfort and a secure fit. As part of the Easy Diver collection, this model offers an impressive water resistance of up to 300 meters, making it suitable not only for everyday wear, but also for various water activities. The Roger Dubuis K10 Easy Diver Titanium combines exclusive in-house mechanics, modern materials, and a bold, sporty design. It is a watch for those who want to stand out and appreciate rare Swiss timepieces with a distinctive character. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about this Roger Dubuis. See you in the next review. Have a great day and enjoy your watch collecting. Best regards, Citadel Watch.